total from 11th class 4 questions asked. From argon chemistry 12th class 3 easy questions, 5 media questions, 1 question is difficult. Total 13 questions asked from argon chemistry. Whereas inorganic 3 questions are difficult, remaining all are easy. From 11th class. 12th class 1 question is difficult. Total 16 questions asked from 2020. Physical chemistry total 4 questions from 11th and 12th difficult. Overall questions are easy. Total 14 questions are very easy. 22 questions are medium. 9 questions are difficult. If you observe very clearly from last 8-10 years analysis, if you observe very clearly, you see. So NEET argon chemistry weightage from last 11th and 12th class, if you observe from last 8 to 10 years, so argon chemistry they asked 28% only. 28% only argon chemistry. That too, listen carefully. 12th class if you take and 11th class if you take, almost 58% from 12th class and only 42% from 11th class questions are asked in the NEET. So in argon chemistry, if you see some basic principle, GOC 16%, meaning 4 questions are coming. From hydrocarbons, only first year hydrocarbons 15%, almost like 3 questions are coming. Aldehydes and ketones, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, 4 questions, 4 plus 1, 4 to 5 questions are coming. And argon chemistry, nitrogen compounds, if you observe 1 or 2 questions. Alcohols, ethers 2 questions. Biomolecule generally 2 questions are coming. Polymers 1 question they are giving. So don't miss argon chemistry. Easily you can score and you can save your time. So finally, be thorough with the NCERT, in-text questions, exercise questions, revise NCERT thoroughly. Let us go to the other sessions. So if you observe the distribution of questions, so easy 49% is there, and not easy, this is yellow color is medium, medium is 50% is there, almost 50%. Easy 31%, 20%, almost 9 to 10 questions are difficult. From last 8 years, this is the analysis. Only 9 questions are difficult. Among 9 also, 4 or 5 are little confusing. Otherwise you can answer each and every question. Right, let us go ahead. Percentage, if you observe very clearly, already I discussed. Around 58% from 12th class they are asking, and around 42% they are asking from 11th class. And majorly, if you observe very clearly, concentrate inorganic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry first year and second year together, if you observe very clearly, almost they are asking 36%. Inorganic chemistry they are asking around 36%. So physical chemistry also almost like 36%. Physical chemistry also 36% they are asking. Argon chemistry they're asking 28 percentage. So you need to concentrate. Finally, sir, how to score 140 plus in chemistry? The 11th class, 12th class syllabus, if you see, you concentrate structure of atom, minimum 2 questions they're asking. Classification of elements, 1 question. Chemical bond compulsory, 2 questions. Thermodynamics, 2 questions. Equilibrium, 3 questions. Redox reactions, 1 question. Hydrogen, S block and P block, almost 3 questions we are getting. Solid state, don't miss the question. Very simple chapter, easy chapter. Surface chemistry also 1 question, don't miss. P block elements, minimum 3 questions will come. D block 2 questions. Coordination chemistry, every year minimum 2 to 3 questions are coming ma. And don't miss haloalkanes, 2 questions. Alcohols and ethers, 2 questions. And easily you can read biomolecules, 1 question you can answer. And polymers also easily you can score. So like this, these chapters from NCERT, in-text questions and level 1 questions, any material. You take any one material, you pick any one material. So you have to practice NCERT questions. You need to concentrate more and more NCERT questions.